Many dog shelters are overcrowded, and if a dog goes too long without finding a home, they're killed to make room for new dogs. Every 5 minutes, one dog in an animal shelter like this is killed. So we need to get these 100 dogs adopted right now. How's it going?
Good.
Oh, hey, nice to meet you. Are you excited to get a dog? What kind of dog are you guys looking for?
We're looking for a small little one.
Oh, a little small one?
Look at he wants to come with you.
Do you like it?
Say
Aw.
hi, puppy.
What do we think about adopting her?
Yes.
Are you gonna play with that dog every day?
Yeah.
And give it tons of love? Shake on it. All right, one down, 99 dogs to go.